Welcome to a Tuesday evening. So this was the last day at work for a month. Tomorrow to January, I am off. I don't have to go to work. I don't want to think about work. Don't have to do anything. So some items came in, and of course, William forgot one of the items over there. Just a sec. I have to lean over. There we go. So I had the broken clue, which was this, with the faulty. Not sure if it's the screen or on the board. Everything else seemed to be working except the screen. So from Aliexpress, we have this little package. Very carefully unroll it. 2 screens. They are basically the same screen that's on here. They will go through the hole, this little hole here, and go to the other side and clip in. So, very careful with these. They're fragile. And we will try a repair job of this clue. See if we can get it back in running order again. I'm not 100% hopeful, right? Because it could be something else in the clue. And then, because I can never have enough of these. And I wanted to make some more with a different arrangement of the I2C connector on them. So, these things. More of these little LCD panels. So, we have our new knife here. Cut it open. So, there's 2 colors in here. So, yeah, so this is like yellow, and I think this is blue. So these are what they're called 2004s. So what I'm going to put on here is a female header. I think. Could be a male header. And I got a board. Yeah, probably the male header. And I've got the I2C boards for here that I can just plug in and off of them. That's what I was really after. I have some that are permanently soldered. And then I have these guys here. So. You know, I just realized I am going to need a bucket because the next lot is a lot of stuff and I don't have one here. Just a sec, I'll be right back. Apparently I've used the bigger bins. Whoops. Come on, ear. There we go. Apparently I've used the bigger ones up. I do not have any more. So these will have to do for the moment. Just put them down there for the moment. So I have some more. Yes, I'm addicted to Adafruit. We have more stuff here. That can just go up there for the moment. So what have we got in the box? American padding. And what have we got here? Okay, so we have the Gemini talking toys. I was looking at this to see if I can animate some of my plushies. Well, not animate, so to speak, make them mod them. And then what do I have here? Fairy light. I saw this on thing. It's kind of cute. And then we've got ESP32S2 feathers. Alright, the LED glasses control board. Stemma QT PCF 8591. KB 2040. Ah, the core. What do they call this again? Keyboard. That's right. So here's the little keyboard. The keyboard HID interface thingy. So there's the other feather, and there's the other keyboard. So like so. Okay. Toss those into the bin. Then, as you know, I always tend to buy 2 of everything. So there's 2 here. I didn't realize I would get some more batteries. Okay, what else we got in here? Okay, LED glasses starter kit. I wanted another one. An Adafruit Neo slider. This is that new thing she was demoing off. Put together, of course. There it is. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Yes. So that's a kit. Just put that over there. What do we got here? Ah. Did I get the wrong one? Uh-oh. I was hoping to repair my glasses. And I think I got the damn wrong one. Son of a bitch. Yeah. This is the frickin' wrong one. That's not the one I wanted. I need the little Stemma QT side headers. Not the bigger ones. This is way too big. This is useless. Why did I get the... Why did I not check that? Let's see. Chrome to properties. Find me a Chrome. There we go. So I was looking for Stemma. So this is that I thought I was getting. Part number 4392. Yes. Are these the right ones? They seem so big. Way big. They don't seem like the ones that are on the... So, what I was after was this one. Because this is what broke on the glasses. Not these. GST. It's PH3. Do I have to go to Aliexpress for this? That's not good. Okay, so what else we got here? Express 32 S3 Dev Kit. The new board. And what do we have here? Aha! We can't be someone. Oh, we're not showing stuff here again. There we go. We can't be without our free whiteboard and our blue fruit. What's this one? RP24. Let's start something. Maker Pi RP24. I don't remember buying this. Wonder what this in here. Oh, right. Right. I now remember this. It's the motor control and everything. Super duper board. Yeah. Okay. And this is the ESP32 dev kit. They can go over here. Another dev kit. How many did I get? And 3 of them? Whoops. Oh, 8R2 and 2 8s. 2 different ones. Okay. Well, apparently I get more than that. 8R2. Okay, William, what did you do? You're not paying attention to your shopping cart. 8R2. 8. So LED glasses assembly. So I got another pair of glasses. Which one did I get? This is the cat one. So this is the connector I was after. This is definitely not that connector. Look at that. Man. So I snapped one of these off, and I was hoping to get another one. Okay. So that's why I got the glasses kit, so that I can actually build another one of these. And I'll just put that over there. What's this? Oh, right, another 2, because I buy 2 of those. And then what in the earth did I get here? Ooh. And batteries. And what's it? ESP32 box. Oh, right. This is that thing that makes kind of like a screen and everything in one testing thing for ESPs. So I'll just put that down there. So this is, of course, William, you're not going to get it open when the little sticky tapes are in the way. Doink. Doink. So there's our screen. And then there's another half to this. This is our base. So the idea is this clips into this. Like so. Oh, a bit bright here. Sorry, I know white is very bright. I can't really do much about this camera. The brightness is off. And then I guess you get to plug things into here. So, is there anything else in the box? Or is that just supporting? Yeah, that's supporting stuff. So, we'll put that like that. And I will flip this around like so. And I'll put the top on like so. And I'll just put this over here. Yeah, I was using Platform IO, and I was programming some of my other Aliexpress ESPs. And the only trick was I had to figure out which ASP I actually had, because it wasn't marked on the board. And why is this so sticky? What's in here? Ooh, the sensor. Adafruit SCD 40 CO2. And another slider. Okay, so this guy here apparently is, there are 2 types of CO2 sensors. One kind of approximates, and one is supposed to be called a true sensor. And this thing is not cheap. But this guy, it's got humidity and temp on it also, but it's supposed to do true CO2 sensing. And of course, you put this back on there like this. They always give you one extra pin or so. So this will be one we have to put together. But we got to be careful with this. I only think I have one of these because they were, oh, I don't know, $30 or $25 or something like that. They weren't cheap. Well, let's see. Am I missing a part? Oh, Adafruit Neo slider. Did I take one out of here and just toss it somewhere? Let's go looking. Adafruit PFC 8591 quad 8-bit ADC DC. Says it's in here. Free promotional item. Sliders. Here it is. Sorry, this CO2 sensor is $50. So where did my little freebie go to? So I have this, I have this, I have this. Did I push it out of the way somehow? Nope, not there. Not here, not here, not here, not here. I don't know. Let's go looking. Pretty sure I cleared the box. Did I toss it into here already? CO2, the 2 kits. Maybe down in here in this set here. Coboards, ESP32. There it is. PSC 8591. Okay, there's the freebie. ESPs, LED glasses driver, that thing. Oh, I have 2 CO2 sensors? No way, William. Did you do 2 of them? Holy schmoly. You didn't, did you? That's the sliders. No. You didn't do it. Phew. I was pretty sure that was the one exception. I only got one of those. Okay. Now, this was the Wednesday purchase. I was actually has more stuff, but I didn't want to get it all on Wednesday because I wanted the pink feather. I feel I'm developing a feather collection here. So, we have box number 2 from Friday. Came in just in time. Don't need that. What's in here? Lots of stuff. Okay, so let's take some of this stuff out. The servo shield. I got all this motor stuff I've been meaning to try out. Some more feathers because I like to have lots of those. Those are really handy. They're like the Pico boards. Mono LED. Very careful with that. Okay, I got a bunch of these female stacking headers. I got them because I wanted to put them on feathers and they're handy. What's this? Okay, DC motor and stepper for the feather. 2040. Okay. And this is, the stepper motors. That. Parts for doing that. I think I filled that up pretty good. So let's start that one. The OLED, gotta be careful. Don't unwrap that. So this is another ESP kit. Ooh, pretty big. So what is all this? Volume up, volume down. Touchy thing, I think. What else we got? Fan, heatsink. Ooh, pretty. Look at all that. What a big board. It's bigger than the picture makes it look like. Wow. 2 USBs? A USB-C. No, 2 USB micros, minis. Buttons. The screen. This ought to be interesting. So put that in there. Put that in there. Close the lid. I'll just shove it over here for the moment. Okay, what else we got in here? The paperwork. So we've got here Adafruit Cricket Hat, another motor driving type hat. So I was supposed to be able to drive lots of motors. I guess the whole Cricket system is motors and stuff like this. I have the round Crickets attached to another one. Haven't got to it yet, but I will. Lots of time. Adafruit Ethernet Featherwing. OLED LED Featherwing. So I've never messed with Ethernet on a microcontroller like this. I mean, yes, the Raspberry Pi and stuff, and the Wi-Fi, but not cabled. That's what this is. What is the paper in here? Oh, the MAC address. Cute. So this is a feather. You stick on top of another feather, or vice versa, and it gives you an Ethernet port. I wonder what I can do with that. Put that in there. So another blue fruit. Digital potentiometer. I think that's the freebie. RP20 feather. Yeah, some more. RP20 feather. DC motor stepper. Another motor thing. Some more headers. Adafruit OLED. Is that it for the stuff in here? Yep. So that can go over there. Got to do a garbage run tomorrow. OLED. Oh, where's my pink? Missing a pink feather. That's not pink. That's not pink. That's not pink. What happened? One pink feather should be in here. Where is it? What happened? OLED featherwing. Mono OLED. Yes, those are the screens. OLED featherwing, OLED featherwing. Cricket. Ethernet. And the heck is my Adafruit Feather RP2040? That's that one. 2040. Ah! Phew! Ah, I almost lost the important thing. These can all go into... Not there. There. So let's toss all those into here. Here, and carefully put those in there. Collector's item. A pink feather. That's right. RP2040 feather, but in a pink design. Ooh. Quite cool. Neat. And that can go into the trash here. That can go up here. And that can go closed. So our sucky problem at the moment is we do not have this connector here. For some reason, we're missing it. I mean, I have the mail ends, I have the cabling, I have the tools to make it. But if I want to fix my goggles, this isn't going to cut it. JST PH4P. So I wonder what. Let's see. Let's just find JST. JST. Uh, and I'm just in the web search here. I'll bring it back here just a sec. So cables I can do. Oh, 4208, 49. These are the ones I need. These are the teeny weeny ones. Well, let's just log in here and add to wish list. So I can't fix my goggles yet. I'll have to buy some more stuff. Um, there was some new stuff they're going to come out with, and I'm waiting on. I think my. I can look at my wish list here. What am I waiting on? So I do have some stuff in here on the wish list. Oh, they do have the encoder. I don't need the Kagula dev board anymore. The Cricket Hat I don't need. Is that the Raspberry Pi hat? Okay, so yeah, I've already bought all this. I just didn't delete it on my cart thing here. Okay. Oh, and they have the cool white. Okay, so we have to wait till next Wednesday. Wait a minute, that's tomorrow. That's Wednesday tomorrow. Ooh, okay. Interesting. But I think tonight what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to find room for all this stuff. So we're going to put that together, but not quite yet. Actually, I wanted to check in here exactly what do I get. Dev kits. Oh, ooh, quite the board. Ooh, that is a pretty board. Here, better switch back because I keep forgetting. And let's let a little more light in here. Sorry for the washed out white on this side, but they're already. Wow, what a long board. UART and USB. Okay. Kind of a matte black board. So this is ESP32S3 Room 1. Wow. Okay. So this is the 8, and this is the 8R2. So I wonder what the difference is in the 8R2. Oh. Smaller chip, I think. No? Just slightly. No, that's interesting. What is different between the two? DevKit C1, 8R2. Same chip, same LED, same everything. Oh, there is a difference on the chip here. So we have I better not get these mixed up, I guess. Yeah, so this main chip that's in here is not the same as this one, is it? No, they are the same. UART USB. They look identical. Wonder what the difference between is. One N8R2 and one N8R. I mean, the back side here. This one says version 1.6. And this one says version 1.6. Not sure. I'm pretty sure that's the way it went. Okay. So that's all the stuff I have for this massive mail call, but a lot more toys to play with. And of course, I have the clue here to work on. Not that clue, the other clue to work on. So, yeah, that's annoying. I got the wrong pack of ends. I was looking so forward to fixing the glasses. But that's okay. I can construct the other pair. And I'll have a second pair. Ooh. And what am I going to do with all these Circuit Playground Bluetooth blue thingies? I got like 5 of them now. Oh. Oh. Let me just check this list. Free Bluetooth. They must have run out of these whites. I'm missing a white. Woo. Should have got one of these. They think that is, if you get over $100, you get one of these. So my permaboard. Actually, this is really funny. I was reading a Amazon review for this types of boards, but not this particular one. Let's see if I can find it in my list of last things I looked at here. Let's go web searching again. No, we'll go to the main. And we'll scroll down to history. Here. I was looking at this. Right? And I'm just going to scroll down. This particular kit I was just looking at, just for the heck of it. Right? So 100 PCs, a PCB board kit, perf board. This style. All independent holes and stuff. Right? Like this. Bunch of headers, right angle, straight through, female, a bunch of screw down blocks, right? Some ties, all in a kit, right? For $26 on Amazon. So I was scrolling down just for the hell of it, and I passed this. I have some of these, for example, right? These are very similar to these. They just do the joining a little bit different, but you can find these types of boards. See? Like so. Those ones are a lot like these white ones. So, and I was looking down, and I get this crazy review from Canada. Basically useless compared to alternate prototyping options. Currently frustrating to work with. Do not waste your time with this unless you have very specific needs and for this type of proto board. None of the holes are pre-joined. Of course they're not. That's the whole point of the board. Boy, I cannot believe that. Right? All you have to do is look at this. Right? If you understand anything about these proto boards, the way they're done, right? You'll know, go away. You'll know that right away that's not what it's for. Like if you watch not Carlson's Lab, but the tips that Adafruit does, the show. Collins. Why is it? I think I have 2 different Collins Lab. Yeah, Collins Lab notes. The little short ones, right? He shows off several times using the all-hole proto boards, right? Versus one of these, right? And even JP is showing off using these things, right? But each type of board actually has a correct um, purpose. Hey, I don't even have a face in my web thing. Wow. Oh, go away, honey. Mm. That's starting to drive me nuts. Honey, can you just turn off for a moment? Doink. There we go. There we go. Honey's little bargain finder on the side. It's too sensitive. I don't mean it and emotionally. I mean he's mousing. You mouse too near it and it pops out all the time. Gets in the way. Um, but yeah, I mean, you got all these types of proto boards here, right? This, I think, what the guy really wanted is this type of proto board, or possibly even this type of proto board. But this is another one where version of it, right? You can see it's all independent holes. You're supposed to bridge the holes together with wire or, solder joints or whatever you wish to do with them. But yeah, reading that review. Of course, he's the only one really in here that has a crap review. Everyone else goes good, 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 good. And then this guy here in the United States, last year, doesn't understand what the point of all this is. They're not even power rails. Of course not. Yeah, this is so funny. So yeah, take some of the reviews on Amazon with a grain of salt. But yeah, I wonder what Adafruit calls this particular JST SH 4-pin. Okay, let us go to Aliexpress and see if we can find JST SH 4-pin. JST SH 4-pin cables, connectors. All types of connectors. So SH is 1 millimeter, PH is 2 millimeters. Okay. These are all the male ends. What if they have black ends? They're all white here. $20 pieces. Right? Here, I could do this. 1,000 pieces. Penny a piece. So this, you can see this looks like vertical stack. So this is straight out. And these ones here are, can't really look horizontal. Sometimes the zoom pics don't do it justice. Yeah, so these are all verticals. Those are the ones, these are going the cables. There's those couplers. We've seen those on Adafruit. Let's just take the 4-pin off and just say JST SH surface mount. Done? Yeah, JST SH 1 millimeter. Let's just see what we get with that. I think most of the hits are at the first page anyway, so. Lots and lots of mail. Mail is so, so common. So you got ones here. We got verticals, right angles. So color, right angle S and Ds. And then you have to pick your size. Right angle SH10 millimeter. Then you have to pick your pins, 4-pin, like so. Now I think the Adafruit stuff is keyed, if I remember correctly on this. So if we look at one of these things here, let me just switch back to. If we look at one of these guys, no, just the holes are in the right place. It's friction fit. So I mean, the key to these ends is I got to worry about is the side soldering on them. So here's web, back to web. So here, this one right here where my cursor's on, this is 4-pin side. It's got the 2 silver on the edge. This is the same basic one that was on the goggle, right? So yeah. So my problem with the goggles on this, let me just go back to base here. Let me zoom in actually. Big time. And keep bumping the camera. Let's turn the light down a little bit. So if we look at this and we turn it around to here, so we look at the angle, this little silver right there, I found on my goggles that it almost felt like a. I wonder if we can do that and get a. Yeah, I got to do something about the camera. We're still not getting enough magnification. It's like the camera needs to be up more. Like so, maybe a little bit like that. Sorry, it's best I'm going to be able to do at the moment. But yeah, so it pulled off here, all those joints, and then it pulled these 2 side ones off. And I'm not even sure exactly how it happened because I had it in a bag and everything carefully done. But yeah, cable just got ripped right off. Do I have that floating around here? Where would I have put that? I know I put it around here somewhere. I made it so safe, I can't find it. Did I throw it in the drawer here? Nope. Not this drawer anyway. It was in its little sack. What did I do with it? You know, I put it in its little bag and I kind of stored it away so I could work on it.
Meter down there. Need all those.
Well, that's funky. I can't find it at the moment. I must have put it somewhere. I know I put it away just so I didn't do anything to it. More to it. I swear, I just stuck it up on a shelf somewhere just to keep it out of the way, but apparently I can't find it. It's not up there. It's not among the wires. It's not over there. It's not in the drawers. Well, William did a really good job of hiding it. So, well, I'll build the second pair and other stuff later. If I find it, I will find it. It's around here somewhere. It doesn't got feet, can't run away. I just don't know where I stuck it. Oops, that's fragile, so let's not break that one. Yeah, I wish the only problem with this camera arm is okay, so I put the camera arm higher and let us zoom out and not the glare, William, this one. So we can position the camera. There we go. Nope. Yes. I might have to move the camera sideways a little bit, but so if we zoom in and then we do the focus here, now that's pretty sharp. That's much better. Now you can read everything. Yes, much, much better. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And those guys, yeah. Okay, much better. It's even a little higher out of the way than it was before. There we go. And I don't know what I'll do with these connectors. Oh, well. And then, of course, more of these batteries. And this goes to my collection of whiteboards somewhere around here. I have them. Nope. I know. I need to do some more labeling on stuff around here so that I can find things, the batteries, the usual crap around here. I've got the labeler. I just need to do it. Aha, I found it. Oh, yeah, I had a... Where's that cable? I had a really bad... I was going through the sensor board box, and I was looking for one, and it flipped off my desk, and I sprawled sensors all over the floor. Oh, yes. There we go. More. So, there's all my bin of them. And all my edge connectors. So it is 8:33. I think I'm going to do some soldering. I really, really want to solder these together and load it up. So, why not? Okay, pencil on. Pencil on. There we go. So, in order to do this, we need something like this to help us. We need either this or a feather. It doesn't really matter which one you use. But we don't need all these pins on it. This one we do for this side. So I'm going to put it in here. Yeah, like so. Like so. And then this side, we need this. And what we do, of course, is our favorite little chore. We figure out how many pins we need. Let's do it from this side. So, right there. And we do that out. Since we're doing, where's our board? Like so. So that is on this. And since the holes line up at one end, like so, then you can turn around and go like this. And you tweak a little bit to get the holes lined up. Like so. There we go. One feather in a board. Now, since I'm blind as a bat, I will need to augment my glasses here. So, put the little ear clippies on to keep them on my face. And we will add the lens. Like so. And then we carefully put it on our ears like so. So now we have the lens. Okay. And we need our stand. Okay. Of all the stands I've got, all the helping hands I've got, this one is king. If you don't have one of these already, you might want to get one. So now let's see if we can cut down the glare a little bit. And let's see, we need solder. And I think I used up all my solder, so we need a new strip. We'll get a new strip. Like so. Now, I have all these boxes here. Let's not actually melt them. That would be kind of a bad thing. So I'll just put them in this bin over here. In these particular box too, we'll put them, I don't know. We'll just put them up here for the moment. These two can go in here. We're going to need not those. But there we go. We're ready to solder. So this is kind of be a split mail. Ooh, nice and big. So let's do our glasses here like so. Bring this over here, a tinning pot. And let's see if our pencil is ready for prime time. Nice and silver. And we make William, do not push this out. There. We need more tension on this. There we go. So that we don't push it down and push it out. What I was checking for is to make sure the little feather is right on there, but it is. There we go. A little flow. I'm going to do this very carefully because I want to make a really pretty job on this. And we'll tap that. I am letting the solder flow really nicely. So we get these really nice joints here. Not my usual speed soldering. Oh, I had a little bit of a raise at that end. Okay, just a sec. There we go. There was a little bit of raise there, meaning the black thing wasn't quite on. Okay, that's good. Let's not burn ourselves here. We don't need that. Really? Come on, hold tight. These particular little breadboards without the power rails on them, they're designed to be clipped all together. That's why there's a notch on one side. So let's do this again. Beautiful. You could swear that a machine put this together. Let's just move this out of the way. Wow, that is very, very nice. Nicely flowed. Nice little cones. Everything is just beautiful. And then what we do is you lever it out of here very carefully. If you need help, you just do this. Pokey tool. Must have tool. Probably got a other name like an awl or scribe or something like that. But if you buy a soldering kit or like a pencil or whatever, and they offer you a batch of these to go with it, different ones, get it. Get it. So one end here is just coney pointy, and this other end here is wedgy square pointy. And I have like 4 or 5 of them, different ones. So now we have a really nice board. Let's turn the light up a little bit on it. There we go. All done. Nice soldering job. Excellent. Now the other approach, of course, I've done this before. You get another feather with the female headers on it. You stick this on top of that, and then you do the soldering. But I did it in the breadboard. Now, shall we see if it actually got something on it? Woo. Because we have a USB-C. We have a cable with its name on it. And let us switch to desktop. And yeah, I'll just move this picture and a picture and a picture and a picture, get it off the screen here. And this. So. Oh, I heard also that CircuitPython 7.1 is beta is out. So they're close to release of that one. So let's plug this in. They've got the new cycling color LED on here. Green, red, blue. The NeoPixel now cycles. Okay. So let's find our console prompt here. It's hiding. There we go. We do a D message. Look at that. Adafruit serial number. Blah, 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 blah. So what we want to know is in our file explorer. I don't see a CircuitPython drive. So what we want to do is put this into boot mode. The modes that you load firmware on. So I need to know which button it is. Reset. Boot select. There it is. It's on the end. So did I click it too fast? Nope. Okay. There's another way of doing this. So unplug it, hold the boot selector down, and plug it back in again. And then let go. There it is. RPI, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So there's our empty thing. We don't have a UF2 file in it yet, so we just need one. So we'll go to home here, and we go to work, and we go to controllers, and we find the feather, RP2040. I should have a 7.0 in here. Yeah, I do, right there. Copy, and we go to here, and we paste. It'll write the file out. And I'm sorry, my extra cam here is in the way. Just a sec. Let me just take extra cam off for a moment there. Okay, so Circuit Pi drive right there. So I just go down here and I go mount it. So there's our brand new drive in the feather. We don't need any of this. Oh, no, we do need this. So what we want here is circ up. And if we go update -- all. If you haven't been using that tool, you need to use it. It saves so much effort on doing all this. Okay, so now we have it all done, and it's blinking. So we have some code on here in the code. I wonder if they just made the default a blink. So now we're going to go to code here, and we're going to open up the folder, Circuit Pi, okay. So there's a new bundle. Okay. First thing we're going to do is file. Where is it? Save workspace as. And we're going to call this pink feather RP2040. Save our code space. Okay. Now we need some code for this. So I believe I have a feather blink code. Let me just check the feather directory. Feather M4, feather S2, RPI Pico, Itsy Bitsy. Okay, so I do have backup 1, backup 2. So let us just have a look in one of these guys here. Let's just open this up in Notepad QQ. And what is this? That's for the OLED. No good. We don't want this code. What about this one? Open with Notepad QQ again. Ah, the blink program. That's what we want. Control C. And we come back here and get rid of that. And here in the Hello World, Control V. Okay. Control S. And we are blinking. So if we go back to the base again, here, up there. I really got to hook my macro pad back up. There, blinking, that light. On, off, on, off. Let's see. There we go. Standard blink test. Everything looks like it's working. Okay. Ta-da. And then what we can do in here is we don't need it anymore. So we'll go File, Close Workspace. So this is tested and running. And of course, we go here and we play it really nice and we safely remove. Like so. And unplug it. There we go. So there we go. One Adafruit pink. And I have a selection of, no, that is pi zeros. We'll just put it into here. There we go. So I will have a lot of that to do, effectively. And it's the same with even, this too. I mean, this is also CircuitPy. I mean, this is full of sensors and stuff. So, yep. Yeah. So I was fiddling with a Pico here. This is a GPS. It will show you exactly where you're not. Actually, it will show you everything. So this has this connector on it. So I'm just going to move that down here. So if we go like this and plug it in, like so, and we go over here and we see file, open workspace from file. Oh, we need to open the CircuitPy directory. Okay. Now, what I should do before I open this thing is go to here and run this. Okay, so everything looks good. Yeah, okay. So then we go and get rid of this. Now we can go open the CircuitPy Pico 1 code workspace. Now we're 11:30. So see, I need to switch desktops here. See the orange in here? This is, I'm going to write a ticket to the guy in GitHub about this. I think I have a way of dealing with this that he might be interested in. It's similar to the way you deal with shared libraries in Linux, where the actual library is soft linked against a generic name. You're not sure what I mean? If you go like this and you go into userlib, okay, it's all these shared libraries. Notice white, green, white, green, white, green, okay? If you go mouse A, D, and you go, we'll just do this part of the library, for example. This is just GIMP math, whatever, right? Oh, we're not allowed to ls in here. Okay, because we're not good. A user lib, let's do this in here. ls minus lad and this. Oh, sorry, la. Oh, I need to put a star on there. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so what they've done here, here's the actual library file. Version number, everything. But in reality, it's soft linked with this name here, this one up here. So that if this changes, let's say they upgrade this library, all they have to do is upgrade the soft link to here. Every program that's using this to find it will actually be finding this. So in this code here, the problem is in the settings JSON, and this one right here, we have hard-coded dates in here. Bundle. What we really should be having is bundle current Adafruit CircuitPython bundle current, because this is being treated as a directory, and then the lib, or something to that effect. And those should be soft linked back to the dated ones. So current should be a soft link to the actual date. So we can fix all this because it's 11:30 was the one that was done. So, whoops. Control Z. I had it highlight. So 2021 11, and we just changed the last to 30. We go to end here, and we change the last to 30, and we go Control S, and our yellow goes away. We now have no problems because the code is being found. So we don't need that. So now when we hover over things, tooltips all work and this sort of thing all works. Now, you're wondering, but William, where's the GPS in this? Okay. We need the CircuitPython serial monitor, or the REPL, basically, is what we're after. So we're going to connect. And there you go. If you move this, changes the numbers. See, it went 2065. Now it's 2072, 2087, 20. You get the idea. There's more data in this field than we actually need. Well, it depends, of course, what you're doing with it. But basically, yeah. So I was just messing around with GPS. I have to say, this is the smallest little GPS unit I've ever seen. I have more GPSs than you shake stick at, but they're big boards, big chips on them, right? This is small. So, file, close workspace, because we don't need it anymore. Chop our little REPL right out the underneath from it. And then we go here, and we'll just safely dismount this. The nice thing about Picos, they're so cheap. You can just carry like a dozen of them on your bench, all prepped like this. You can just, and if you have enough of these breadboards, you just keep making different projects, and you can go back and fiddle with this one some more, and you don't have to take it apart or anything like that. That's what I like about this. So, but it is 1 hour and 12 minutes, so I'm going to cut it right now. But I will be making a lot more this week, next week, all the way through Christmas. And as I try different things out and load them up and see what happens. And this time I will actually, next time I'll hook the macro pad up so I can quickly flip scene changing in here. Duh. Forgot to do that this time. So I will leave it at this. Have a nice evening.